He's being called the most troubled lawyer at the Dallas County Courthouse, an attorney charged with multiple crimes, including indecency with a child. And while he's awaiting trial, many are outraged this attorney is still practicing law. Brett Shipp joins us now with the details. Brett?
Izzy, the charges are serious, the ramifications worse than you might think. Not only is the attorney an alleged threat to children, he has hundreds of clients who may be victims themselves. Tonight, News 8 investigates. Hey, Ryan. Brett Shipp with Channel 8. Can we talk to you? Dallas defense attorney Ryan Ganesh sits alone in a courtroom, avoiding us and serious questions about the charges against him. Can I talk to you? Ryan? In July of last year, Ryan Ganesh was arrested on 2 counts of indecency with a child for exposing himself at his law office. Then in February of this year, Ganesh was indicted on 7 counts of barratry, which means illegally soliciting clients. But Ganesh is still practicing law while he awaits his own day in court. So the district attorney's office has filed a motion asking a judge to keep him away from the courthouse by raising his bond, and the judge did. Yet here he is now, free on bond, still working the courthouse halls, presumably representing his more than 500 clients.
For somebody to have 500 active clients right now, that caused me great concern that he's not doing what's in the best interest of his clients.
Criminal defense attorney Pete Schulte is just one of the lawyers who provided testimony against Ganesh after allegedly catching him soliciting clients in the courthouse halls. He and other attorneys we talked to feel a normal defense attorney caseload is more like 50 to 100 clients. Schulte feels more should be done to protect the public because 2 weeks ago, we found Ganesh pacing the Dallas County Courthouse, apparently surveying the hallways for potential clients who were awaiting their case hearings. We specifically watched him engage 2 individuals who later told us they hired Ganesh. This woman, whose identity we protect, says she has agreed to pay him $800, but only after he approached her.
And when he come up to you and talk to you, or what? Oh. What did he just say? I can represent you? Or?
Yeah.
Did he say I can do it for $800? Or?
Mm-hmm.
Again, according to state law, attorneys cannot directly solicit business, even in the courthouse, where this woman says she came for her hearing without an attorney.
He called your name?
Yeah.
But you never knew him before. Were you just waiting out? You were waiting for your first hearing?
Right.
Okay.
Another defendant, Marcus Jackson, says Ganesh solicited him in the hallway as well.
He just walked up to me after I hung the phone up, passed me his card, and literally solicited, my business to hire him to be.
Jackson says he agreed to hire Ganesh, paid him, but was later arrested for not showing up for court. He says because Ganesh never told him about the hearing. According to Jackson and this 27-page pleading from the district attorney's office, Jackson was thrown in jail for 5 days for failure to appear.
And I literally put money in his pocket for nothing. That's money I could have been paying on another lawyer to prove my innocence, somebody that's really going to help me and to keep me free.
We tried to discuss the allegations with Ganesh 2 weeks ago after watching him approach multiple defendants in the courthouse hallway.
Follow me, I don't know. Are you his attorney?
Ganesh ultimately chose not to discuss the matter with us at all. We're doing a story on the charges against you and what appears to be evidence that you're still soliciting clients. Can we talk to you about that? We just learned that Ganesh has signed up even more clients. Court records show he represents more than 650 clients now. Attorneys we've talked to call that an impossible caseload. Again, they say 100 or so should be the maximum. The state bar says its hands are tied as long as his criminal case is pending. Ganesh's trial on barratry and indecent exposure is set for later this month. Brett Shipp, Channel 8 News.